Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Evernote 2025 and I will walk through to its latest features in this review and tutorial video. So Evernote 2025 is a cross-platform note-taking and productivity app with a refreshed UI and improved speed. One big update this year is the new AI Smart Note suggestions, which helps organize thoughts and based on your writing. So you will also notice that it has a redesigned dashboard for easier notebook access, improved tag management, and nested folders, voice-to-text transcription with real-time formatting, integration with Google Calendar and Notion, enhanced offline mode and syncing speed for mobile users. In terms of performance, the app is noticeably smoother on low-end devices, while premium pricing remains. The free tier has become more generous. So here's a quick tutorial on how to get started. First, step 1, open Evernote and sign in with your account. Step 2, tap the plus new note or this icon right here from the dashboard. Step 3, start writing your content or use the microphone for voice input. Step 4, use the toolbars to format your text, insert checklists or attach images. Step 5, tap the tag icon to organize your note and assign it to a notebook. Step 6, hit done to save your note and it will sync automatically across all your devices. So if you are a long-term Evernote user, these updates bring it closer to modern standards and it is worth reinvesting or revisiting. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.